This video we're gonna be talking about my story. Shalom family, and welcome back to the Jess Business channel. Thank you for subscribing and liking and commenting on my videos. And if you haven't, like, comment, and subscribe on my videos, man. And hit the notification bell for more notifications. You know, I'm still working out the kinks, man. I'm still coming at y'all live, you feel me? So, bear with me. I'm still getting used to this again, you feel me? In this video, we're gonna be talking about my story, and what I learned and everything that I'm trying to bring to y'all value-wise on this channel, right? So, it all starts in Queens. I was born in Queens and all of that, and you feel me? I don't know what was going on with my mom at that point, but you feel me? She, decided to have me in America, and all my other siblings, we from Trinidad and Tobago, so all my other siblings was born in Trinidad and Tobago. So yeah, man. I'm the only one who was really, I guess, American, if you want to say that, but whatever. So yeah, I went back there. I lived a lot of my life there, and so I basically know what it looks like to live on feels like to live on an island. I can make that switch at any time. You feel me? Seamless. I could even still talk like that. You feel me? But that's for another video. Don't worry about that. Well, so yeah. Basically, we came back up here in 2003 and stuff like that, and my dad, he been a security guard for a long time. That's his trade. My mom, she been into different types of stuff, man. She was like more a little bit creative in certain ways, like doing upholstery and stuff like that. My grandmother had some industrial sewing machines and stuff like that, and in our home and stuff like that. Right. So basically, like, my mom would always expose us to things like fabrics and fabric stores and seamstresses and all that type of stuff, man. Kind of a boring upbringing in a sense, but at the same time, it's like boring is good. I was watching Stephen Darby the other day, and he said boring is good. It kept you safe. So it's like, I appreciate it. So one of the things that my mom and my dad, I saw that they had common ground on was network marketing. So I was always paying attention to that. You feel me? Like all the outlandish videos and the CEOs and stuff like that. You get what I'm saying? So like, I always was paying attention to that, and but at the same time, I was really rebellious. So my dad would try to show me certain things, like the movie The Secret and other things, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and stuff like that. At that age, I wouldn't really pay too much attention to it, in the right way. So I wouldn't catch things that the most important parts of it, like that now, the cash flow quadrant and stuff like that. You feel me? So it's like you want to be on the right side, not the left side, right? So basically, like when one of the things that stuck out the most to me though in The Secret movie was the kid with the bike. He basically, the law of attraction. So he basically asked his parents to get him this bike he saw in a magazine, and they couldn't get him the bike. So he took the picture out of the magazine and he put it up on his wall. He kept telling himself, yo, I'm gonna get this bike, 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 right? And he was basically telling himself he's gonna get this bike and stuff like that, in an affirmation style. So basically, time went along and he got the bike. You get what I mean? So it's like, I've been learning about those things, since I was a kid and stuff like that. But it's like, I don't really, I never really seen it manifest, before my eyes. So it's like, it was always in the back of my mind, like, man, wow, all these CEOs and stuff out here. My parents have been CEOs and stuff like that. But so I always wanted to be a CEO ever since I was a kid. You feel me? So it's like, always try to come up with ideas and stuff like that and do stuff. feel me? I always wanted to be different. So yeah. Uh, so I just been in like different groups and different social circles and all that. Always had different kind of friends and stuff like that. But the thing about it is, one of the things I heard the most is your net worth is your network. And I never really had the kind of network that brought me to that next level. You get what I mean? Like, I come from New York where everybody want to keep each. If we all crabs in the barrel, um, we all gonna just be crabs in the barrel. You get what I mean? It's like they're gonna pull us all back down. We find a way up, they're gonna pull you right back down. They're gonna tell you what you're doing is a scam and all types of shit. So it's like, um, yeah, ain't nobody really sitting there trying to build each other up and stuff like that. And then when you know you living good and stuff like that, somebody try to take you down. So it's like, listen, man, it's all a learning process. You feel me? So like, I after a while, I left a lot of social circles and stuff, and things like cryptocurrency came up and stuff like that. So network marketing, affiliate marketing came away, and it's like, I started studying them things. You feel me? And a lot of people like, yo, where you at and all that. One of the things, what's crazy is what I told people is like, listen, when I'm 25 and all this stuff, man, listen, I'm gonna disappear and I'm gonna be wearing a mask and nobody gonna know who I am and stuff like that. Fast forward now, it's coronavirus, everybody wearing masks, and I just turned 26. It's crazy, but watch what you say, bro. Watch what you say, I'm telling you. But so it's like, no fear, just saying, I'm just telling you, watch what you say. But yeah, bro, so it's like, everybody like, where you at, blah blah blah, all this stuff. Listen, man, I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to learn the things that I don't know. You feel me? And I'm trying to get it. You feel me? And it's like, what you learn is, you better get spiritual. Everything, success is natural, but success is spiritual. You feel me? You better get in your Bible. You better read your Bible. You know what I'm saying? You better, hey, you better get the truth, learn the truth. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, but you gotta balance that out. You gotta balance out the natural and the spiritual. That's what success is about, right? So, if you got any value out of this video, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like. You feel me? And I want to see you here again, man. See, I'm out here in the wild. You already know what it is. They talking to you, talking to me. You know what I'm saying? So, peace and shalom, me a life, and see you in the next video. Holla.